Hi, Frank Gray, attorney with Chesapeake Wills and Trust. Today we're going to talk about probate fees, the three things that you need to know. We're going to talk about what it is, we're going to talk about when you pay it, and most importantly, we're going to talk about how much it'll cost. If you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure to hit the like button for the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know when we're pushing out more estate planning content that'll answer all your estate planning questions. All right. Probate fees are the fees you get charged in probate by the Register of Wills. Let's start with the basics. What is it? You can basically think of it as the administrative charge by the Register of Wills for processing the claim, for processing the documents that are involved in an estate. Now, the words that they're going to tell you is a non-controversial estate. What that means is as long as it's a regular estate and you're not asking for more than 12 copies of the letter of administration or 2 certified copies of the wills. If you ask for more than that, they're going to charge you a little more. Or if you end up going from administrative probate in the Register of Wills because there's a controversy over to the orphans court, to the judicial probate side or in the circuit court, there are going to be additional fees that come up. Number 2, let's talk about when it's due. It's technically going to be due when the personal representative files the first accounting, which is going to happen within 9 months of the time that the estate is open. By that point, the personal representative has to do an accounting. Basically, they have to show the financial transactions that have occurred up to that point. What is owned by the estate, what monies have been paid by the estate for valid claims, for the upkeep of property, things like that. And they're going to look, and based on that amount, they're going to answer question number 3, which is, how much is it going to cost me? What they're literally going to do is they're going to take that amount from the first accounting and they're going to look at a chart. And I'm going to throw a link down below to the chart so you can see exactly what it's going to be. But let me give you 2 examples real quick. The first is an estate that's worth $120,000. That's going to be a $400 probate fee because it falls within that category of being between $100,000 and $250,000. Doesn't matter whether it's $101,000 or $249,999. It's all going to be the same fee within that range. Our second example we're going to say is $1.98 million. The fee for that is going to be $1,500 because again, it falls within the range between $1 and $2 million. Doesn't matter whether it's $1,001 or whether it's $1,999,099. As long as you're in that range, it's going to be the same fee. And again, I've thrown a link down below to the chart so you can click on it. You can see exactly what your probate fee will be that'll be due when you file that first accounting. Now, the caveat is if you file subsequent accounting and the value of the estate goes up, then you're going to have to pay the higher value. In other words, that fee can keep on going up if the estate continues to grow, if there are returns on investment, things like that. Make sure to click on the link down below for our free probate guide. It's a great way to answer some basic questions. If you have any questions about Maryland probate or fees involved with Maryland probate, make sure to give us a call.